Dealing with an error occurred while starting Roblox on your computer? Hey folks, welcome to my channel. Today, I'll walk you through fixing this annoying error. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. First of all, clear all DNS cache from your computer. To do this, open up Command Prompt. If you can't find it, just type cmd in the search bar. Now, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes to give permission. Now, type ipconfig, then space, then /flushdns. Don't worry, you can copy the command from the video description below. Now, hit Enter. Here you can see it says Successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now, close this window and check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. If you're still getting the error, turn on compatibility options for Roblox. To do this, first right-click on Roblox player from your desktop and select Properties. Then, go to the Compatibility tab. Now check the Run this program in compatibility mode for your box. Next, select Windows 7 from this menu. Also, check the Disable Full Screen Optimizations box. Then click on Apply and then on OK to save your settings. Now, see if Roblox opens up without the error. Solution 3. If not, use an optimized DNS server. To do this, open Command Prompt again. Now type ping 1.1.1.1 and press Enter. Doing this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS. Next, type ping 8.8.8.8 and press Enter. And this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS. After you find out which DNS has the lowest ping, go to Settings and click on Network and Internet. Then click on Ethernet. Now scroll down a little and click on the Edit button next to the DNS server assignment. From the top, select Manual and turn on IPv4 if it's turned off. Now, on the Preferred DNS box, add the DNS server with the lowest ping. Move on to Alternate DNS. Here, type 1.0.0.1 if you're using 1.1.1.1 DNS. But if you're using 8.8.8.8 DNS, type 8.8.4.4. Lastly, click Save. Now see if the problem is gone. Solution 4. If the problem is still there, update your network adapter driver. For this, simply type Device Manager in the search bar here and open it. Then, click on the little arrow next to the network adapters to expand it. Now, right-click on the adapter you're using and select Update Driver. Then, click on Search Automatically for driver and it'll download and install the latest version of the driver if available. If you don't know which adapter you're using, just do the same thing for all these. Then, check if your issue is fixed. Solution 5. Still facing the issue? Clear Roblox website data from your browser. To do this, first open up the browser you use to visit roblox.com. Now, I use Chrome, but if you're using a different browser, the settings are pretty much the same, so you follow along. Now, click on this three-dot icon and select Settings. Then click on Privacy and Security. Then on Site Settings. Now, click on View Permissions and Data Stored Across Sites. In the search box, type roblox.com. Now hit that trash icon and select Delete from this pop-up. After this, close the tab and open up roblox.com again. You'll need to log in again. After logging in, you should be able to play Roblox without this error. So folks, that's how you fix an error occurred while starting Roblox problem in Roblox on your computer. If the video helped you out, drop a like. And if you still got questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.